Another great use of an auto scrubber is in the stripping process. Now, you notice that I've added the black pad here. So your daily cleaning is the red, your top scrub is the blue, and for stripping, we typically use a black pad. Now, the stripper, in this case, the Z310, is not used in the machine. No stripper goes into the solution tank. This is your rinse tank. So you're going to lay your stripper on the floor by some other method. Those will be in another video. But what do we do with the auto scrubber? Well, we put rinse water down. We scrub it with the black pad. Once that we've scrubbed all of that, then we drop the squeegee, continue to put water down, and pick all of that slurry up. And then we make one more pass, still with the black pad on, water full on, and we rinse the floor and the pad. That's how you use an auto scrubber in the stripping process. Because once that you get through with rinsing, it's time to lay new finish. So thanks for watching everything on how to use a conventional rotary auto scrubber, from daily cleaning, top scrub, and stripping.